Lamborghini didn't play any games, making this one of the fastest SUVs out there. The exhaust system is made by Akrapovic and the sound is really nice. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day where I show you the all new 2027 model Lamborghini Urus SE Performante. As you guys know, Lamborghini has given us an Urus Performante with the previous model, and now it's time to give us one on based off the Urus SE. This, ladies and gentlemen, comes with a 4-liter V8 engine and the hybrid motor. So this one is the fastest Urus ever, the most powerful Urus ever, giving us 812 horsepower. As you know, the base SE is coming only with 800 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque. We do 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds, and the top speed is limited at 312 kph, making this one of the fastest SUVs out there. This is how the car looks from the rear. We have quite a lot of changes and updates in terms of body work, which came with the Performante model. So let me talk you through in today's video. We will be starting with the front, the side and the rear, and then we will be checking out the interior. Before I actually continue, let me show you the engine. Let's go. As soon as I open this up, I literally feel the lightness, since it's a full carbon fiber finished bonnet. As you can see, everything is finished in carbon fiber. And if you have also noticed one thing in specific with Lamborghinis, maybe you've asked yourself, what's the name of this color? You always have this on the latest Lamborghinis inside here. This is quite cool. So as soon as you just scan this code, it will give you the name of the color. This is something I really love. This will also show you that it's a real Lamborghini. Here we have the V8, the 4-liter V8. The cover is also finished in carbon fiber. It's so cool, also with the Italian colors all around. As soon as we close it, there's also one thing that I have to show you. With the Urus Performante, now we have these outtakes integrated on the bonnet. This makes the car in the front especially look way sportier than the base model. As you can see here, also with the design here, full carbon fiber, everything, real outtakes on the left and right hand side. As soon as we continue talking about the front and the face of the Urus Performante, you can already tell that there's a huge change on the intakes and the grille in general. This has been completely changed. If you just look at this stock version and the Performante version, I mean, they've kept this daytime running lights, but in the inside they've also changed the headlamps. Also the front split has full carbon fiber, and also in the side we have a bit more carbon fiber details all around. As soon as we also talk about the side, you will quite quickly notice that Lamborghini didn't play any games. The side fenders here is all finished in carbon fiber, Performante specific. That's something I really love. We have carbon fiber everywhere. So you also look here on this side, on the side mirror, on the lower part of it, where we can also find the Performante specific design. The wheels are completely rechanged and new ones for the Urus Performante in specific, and also coming with the carbon ceramic brakes, here finished with the red brake calipers. As soon as you also have a closer look on the roof, you can also tell it's finished in completely carbon fiber. And just look at it, this single piece is more than 1 meter. It's insane. And then when I just walk you through the side fenders and everything here, that's just a signature for the Performante, finished in carbon fiber. You can also see not only one spoiler, but 2 finished in carbon fiber. Yeah, and this is the rear of the Urus Performante, where they have actually changed a few bits and pieces, which I really like. First things first, this piece here is slimmer. Let me show you a picture of the rear of the Urus SE, and then you can already tell that this has been changed. Lamborghini lettering finished in black. As soon as you want to open up the trunk, you just press it and it's not hidden. There you go. So much easier and so much more comfortable. You just close it with a touch of a button. You can, just see the side flaps of the carbon fiber spoiler on top, and then we have the lower one, which is humongous. Really cool. And then when you just have a closer look on the diffuser, it's also finished in full carbon fiber. And the exhaust system is made by none other than Akrapovic, and the sound is really nice. Now let me show you the inside. With the inside, Lamborghini has also went all in. Quite special finish here for the Performante model in specific. The inside is not only carbon fiber, but now we're talking about top-notch quality materials and craftsmanship. We have a lot of Alcantara Dinamica. We also have a lot of leather works, which, yeah, Italians are just known for. As you can see, we have a lot of red details, bits and pieces. I am a huge fan of the way they did it, the Performante specific styling. Oh, this one I also didn't notice. The beeple is also finished in carbon fiber. Really cool. Let me jump inside and give you a closer look. Bienvenuto inside the Urus SE Performante. Let's see if it has soft closing doors. Yes, it does. We have carbon fiber all around. The interior finish is quite dark, as you might have noticed. Carbon fiber overload here on the center console, dashboard. We have the Lamborghini lettering finished in black. We have the stitching all around. And something really cool is the start-stop button knob here, finished in red. And then we have the door handles also finished in red. The seat belts, the Lamborghini on the headrest, everything on the seat. Sorry, scusi, I don't speak Italian. And the Performante specific finish on the roof. Really lovely. Just look at the back seats. Yeah, Performante. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Flat bottom, all Alcantara finish on the steering wheel, which I really like. Lamborghini specific. Alcantara everywhere you just look at. And then when just talking about the driving mode, you have Strada, Sport, Corsa and Rally, where with the SE I think you have Neve and Terra. So with this one you would just have one, which is a Rally mode. Strada is just regular hybrid driving. Sport turns on the V8. Corsa is more sportier, and then we have Rally. Really cool. Also this here is finishing Alcantara, I like it. So let's get on. Let's switch it to Corsa and just listen to the sound. 3, 2, 1. Before I started, Akrapovic exhaust mounted on this one is just a perfect match. Akrapovic and Lamborghini. Listen up to this. 3, 2, 1. Starting the V8. The engine is running. Here you can also see the infotainment system with the rendering of the Performante. I really like it. Here in white, huge fan. And just look at the form of it. It's cool, right? How do you guys like it? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Listen up to this. Really nice. I love the pops and bangs, the V8 rumble, Akrapovic, Lamborghini has done amazing job. Okay, before we finish this video, it's time to listen to the sound from the outside. 3, 2, 1, listen up. Lovely sound. It sounds extremely dominant. The rumble, the pops, the bangs. This is an absolute banger. Performante Urus just works so good. What do you guys think of it? Leave it in the comment section below. How do you guys like this? I think this looks quite cool. It sounds quite cool. The inside is special. Leave it in the comment section below what you think about the all new Lamborghini Urus SE Performante.